As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And by nature, we are humans who love to share everything with everyone. Combine both, and voila, we have social media platforms. Each platform has a certain appeal, but today, we're taking a look at Instagram. Specifically, Instagram Stories, or IG Stories. Before anything else, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. It's honestly the Snapchat function that fits Instagram as a platform. You can take photos of yourself and add various filters. Or try out the new Add Your Sticker and pick from various categories. After choosing or taking your photo, tweak it a bit and then post it. Watch as your family and friends enjoy the photo you shared, and vice versa. Gratifying, isn't it? That's not the only perk that Instagram has. It's not only a personal app, but a marketing tool as well. Did you know that 36% of the app usage is for product promotion? Pretty high, right? Aside from that, 500 million users actively use the stories daily. You're probably thinking, those are pretty strong reasons to use it. Think again. Around 70% of users watch stories daily. Pretty cool, right? But we know it's hard to establish an online presence. Grab the attention of your market with an eye-catching design. Allow us to help you. Here at BrandCrowd, we want to help you gain their attention, presenting our database filled with thousands of templates you can choose to edit. You can have story templates that greet your followers for the holidays, or you are promoting your products and services for a better online presence. Head over to our website. Just click the URL below or type BrandCrowd.com and wait for the website to load. Your browser will present you with our logo maker, but that's a tutorial for another day. Or check out our other videos on the channel. Now you'll want to hover your cursor over the top left corner with the toggle down menus. Hover the cursor over social. The menu would go down and you'll see two headers: social media covers and social media posts. Look at the latter and click Instagram Stories. Wait for your screen to load. You now see before our database with Instagram story templates. Just type your business name and or any other keywords you want. For our example, we'll choose a Christmas-themed template. On your end, click on the template you want. Your screen is now showing the IG Story Editor. The only difference between the logo editor is the first tabs and the last tabs. You can pick from various forms that the template has. You can also add images to the template itself. Change the font, color, even add shapes. It's all dependent on what you want. Lastly, before you save your template, you can ask your family, friends, and even coworkers to help you decide on your final design. Voila! You now have the perfect IG story post for your business. Post your new story and watch your viewer count grow. You created your own IG story post at a reasonable price. Stay tuned for next week's video and leave a comment down below for any tutorials you want us to make. See you next week. BrandCrowd signing off.